Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I am showing how to make simple and easy lantern using waste cloth and sticks. These are bamboo sticks that you get in craft store. You can buy them, or else if you have those ice cream sticks, you can use them as well. Stick them using glue gun. I had some blouse pieces which was given during the festival time, so I am using those blouse pieces to create this. If you have any waste cloth, you can use them as well. Stick the cloth to the sticks using glue gun. Now you can paint anything of your choice on the cloth piece. I am painting based on the theme Deepavali. Stick them on all the four sides as shown. You can add some tassels. Stick the rope and then tie a knot at the top and then use it for hanging. You can use string lights or bulbs. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.